सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ताकि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेट्स मिलती रहे।
Hello everyone, myself Nishan Mitra, and in today's video I am going to show you my 3D geometry model. Okay. To understand this, you have to know about 2D and 3D. What is 2D and what is 3D? 2D is a shape in which you have X and Y axis. You can see a line. And in 3D, you have X, Y and Z axis. Okay friends, this is a major difference in this. It means it has one more axis. That's why 3D is more. Okay. Now, I am taking an example of the corner of the room. You can see your room, the corner of your room. You can, when you will see that corner, you will understand or will know that like this, something like this. There will be three lines going on like this. So this is the best example of understanding the 3D geometry. Okay. So this will be your x-axis, this will be your y-axis, and this will be your z-axis. I am taking a picture and sending on the screen. You can see this is also an example of 3D. Okay friends, now without wasting any time, let's get into the model. So friends, as you can see, we are here with the material of the project. The first material is cardboard. The measurement are given on this, that is 10 into 10 inches. You can also vary them according to your need or choice. So I had taken 3 pieces of cardboard, as you can see, with the same length and breadth, that is 10 into 10 inches. Okay friends, so the next material will be a chart paper. From this chart paper I will cut the pieces out to make this more attractive and paste these pieces on this. So now as you can see, I had cutted the pieces of the paper from the chart paper to paste on this to make it more attractive. Okay friends, so now let's start with pasting these paper on the cardboard. Friends, as you can see, I have covered the cardboard with the chart papers. So now friends, as you can see, I have taken the midpoint as 5, from here also 5, and joined the line from the both sides and done marking of 1 centimeter from both the lines X and Y. Like this I have done from in this and this. Okay friends, on both the sides of the sheet. So now it's time to join them. And as you can see, I have done all the markings on the both side of this, and all 3 of them are ready to cut out. So let's get started with cutting process. Friends, now starting with the cutting process, 2 of the sheet I will cut from up to the origin. So first let me cut this. You can see like this. I am cutting this till the origin part. Okay, like this. As you can see, I have cut it till origin. So now friends, as you can see, I have cutted this. Now next is this. It should also be cutted till here. Okay friends, so let me cut this. Okay, this is also cutted. So 2 pieces are now cutted, ready. So the next piece is this. Now I will cut this from the center. Whole piece, I will cut the whole piece from the center. Okay, I think now it is completed. Okay friends, as you can see, it is also been divided. Now I will cut these 2 parts from the half. It's 1 to 12, so half will be 6. Okay, here also it will be from 6. I am cutting this till 6 because 6 is the half of 12. Okay, if you have taken any other digit, you have to take half of that. Like this, you can see it is being cutted. This piece also I will cut from the 6 point up to 6 point. Okay, now as you can see, this has been also cutted. You can see after cutting these pieces, I have joined them and the whole 3D model is ready. So now let me show a demonstration on this. So friends, as you can see, I have taken a whiteboard refill as a demonstration piece for this. I will let it here. So now on this model I can get x, y and z, the value of x, y and z. Like this is 8, this is a y axis, this is x axis and this is a z axis. Okay friends, so I'm getting 8 on this, and this is 4 and this is 3. Okay friends, so like this you can get the value of this. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like it and share with your friends, because I have done a lot of hard work in making this project. Please share this to others so they can also make this and see this experiment to get an idea of 3D working model. Thanks, bye bye.
Yeah.